Wondering if Tenorshare UltData WhatsApp recovery really works? In this video, we'll review its features, performance, and limitations to see how effective it is for recovering WhatsApp data on Android and iOS. Part 1. Tenorshare UltData WhatsApp Recovery, Overview and Key Features. Part 2. How to use Tenorshare UltData WhatsApp Recovery. Download and install UltData WhatsApp Recovery on your computer, then launch the program. Click the device button to proceed, and connect your Android or iOS device to the PC. Next, press Start Scan to begin searching for deleted WhatsApp data. The scanning process is quick, allowing you to locate lost messages, photos, videos, and other attachments within moments. Once the scan is complete, select the specific types of data you want to recover. After previewing the WhatsApp data, click Recover to restore the deleted content to your device. Part 3. Tenorshare Data WhatsApp Recovery, Pricing and Custom Support. Part 4. Tenorshare Data WhatsApp Recovery, Pros and Cons. Pros: high recovery rate, easy to use, preview before restore, Android and iOS. Cons: limited free version, not always successful, slow for large data, needs computer and USB debugging. Part 5. About Tenorshare UltData WhatsApp Recovery. Q1. Is it safe? Yes, safe if downloaded from the official site. No system files are modified. Q2. Scan time, usually a few minutes, depending on data size. Q3. All data recoverable, most messages, media, and documents, but some items may fail. Part 6. Best 2 Tenorshare UltData WhatsApp Recovery Alternatives. 6.1 Using Mobikin WhatsApp Recovery for Android as a reliable solution for retrieving WhatsApp data from Android devices. Mobikin WhatsApp Recovery for Android allows users to recover messages, photos, videos, and attachments. Start by downloading and installing Mobikin Recovery for WhatsApp on your computer. After installation, select Recovery from Android device from the left-hand panel. Connect Android via USB and enable USB debugging. Follow prompts to disable WhatsApp encryption. Backup starts automatically. Preview chats and attachments. Click Recover to computer to export selected data. 6.2 Using Mobikin Doctor for iOS. Mobikin Doctor for iOS helps iPhone and iPad users recover deleted WhatsApp chats and media. Advanced scanning ensures high success, with a preview to check recoverable content.